There's my bourbon. Had a 6.2 diesel in it, non-turboed. It's been sitting here for a while. I took the front doors off because I was going to put them on my truck. But the motor's right over here that we're going to be using. It's in this 1890 Caterpillar 3208. Kitty power right there. It's a nice looking 1890. I was wanting to save this and farm with it, but it's not my choice, and it's headed to the scrapyard. So sad thing to see is because there's another one that'll be taking the motor out too. But sad thing to see this thing go. Crop Cruise 1890 in pretty decent shape for the year. Headed to the scrapyard to probably get turned into razor blades. But the old bourbon will have a repower with one of its motors. So, and heck, maybe go pick up an old John Deere or something. Put the other motor in. Here's a skid steer. Haven't done much on this lately. Just pulled the valve cover off. Got pulled injectors and look in the cylinders. It's seized up from sitting, but yep. It's actually a pretty decent bourbon. I have everything for it. I'll probably go ahead and repaint it anyway, just because. There's a couple spots like when the lock broke, I had to do this, so I have to cut all that out and put a new patch piece in there. But yeah, that's basically how it is. The old GMC. Thanks for watching.